This doesn't work, gives no sparks at all. I have degreased 3 pieces of nickel strip, or maybe so-called nickel strip. I scratched it, a little spoon of salt, add water, and then it's a question of waiting. Now it's about 20 hours later, and here I wrote down steel B, and that's clearly very much rusted. So this is steel. I will throw it away. This is something that is covered with brown dust coming from the upper, from this one. But if I wipe off, you can see that steel A is no steel, but the scratches are not showing any rust. So steel A is not steel, but pure nickel. Then we have the material that was supplied with a spot welder, and also this one is pure nickel. Then what I see more, this one, that should be nickel, and it is nickel. So this one is pure nickel too, no problem. That's 0.15. And then I have this one that was supplied with DeWalt imitation battery case, and that's pure nickel too, and that's 0.20.